Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change the time zone on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've traveled somewhere, and so you want to go and have your computer displaying the correct time. We'll guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is come down to the bottom and you can click on the search and you're going to type in settings. Always tap on the Windows Start button and click on Settings. In here you need to go over to the left and you can go and click Time and like so. Then what you want to do is go and tap at Date and Time. Here, we have to go down to the time zone, and what we can do is go over to the right here, and you can go and select it. At the moment, mine is set to UTC. But you can scroll up and down here to go and find the time zone you're currently in. So I can go and select Greenland, for example, and then it will go and be updated. As you can see, it's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again. Have an awesome day.